What is the value of the expression 3 plus 6 divided by 3 times open parenthesis 4 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 3 plus 6 and write this expression as 9 divided by 3 times 4 plus 2 inside the parentheses. In the next step, they go for the division between 9 and 3. And this expression simplifies to 3 times 4 minus 2 inside the parentheses. In the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 3 times 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 6. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option B. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some people, when solving this question, first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 3 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 3 and 2 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 3 plus 6 divided by 6. Then, they go for the division between the two 6's because they think division has a higher priority than addition, and write this expression as 3 plus 1, which ultimately gives them the answer 4. And immediately, they conclude that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parenthesis. We must start with the parenthesis first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 3 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2. In the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 6 and 3, which simplifies the expression to 3 plus 2 times 2. In the next step, it's time for the multiplication between the 2's, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 3 plus 4, which ultimately gives us the answer 7. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.